Hi guys, today I was working on this machine here. It's an AEG Lavamat 7 kgs front load washing machine, green color. Today I was fixing this thing here. We call it a door switch. I want to test it to see if my door switch will work. So if it's your first time to use a machine, this is how you're supposed to do. You're supposed to come here, first una check maji that pressure si mbaya sana, so we don't use this one for washing machine. We use this one here. We call it machine tap because it has threads, and also our inlet pipe has threads. You connect this way and you make sure it is tight. After that, you can turn it on now. Then it's always good to use to protect your machine. You can use this one or free guard to protect your machine. So you'll plug in your free guard, then you put it on. Yeah, it's on now. So we want to start our machine to see if the door switch will work. So first of all, I'm going to test with this two pieces of I can call them dusters. Yeah, I tested two pieces. Then okay, after putting in your load, you can now close the door the way I've just done. This way. Then